Hello my beautiful fellow crocheters. Today I am making this amazing 3D flower. So for that I'm using a 3.75 mm hook and a 3-ply cotton yarn. So let's get started with a slip knot. Then start making foundation chains. So make a total of 50 chains. Then make 3 chains. And then a first double crochet in the 4th chain from the hook. Then chain 3. Then make 1 single crochet in this space. Again make a double crochet in the next stitch. Then chain 3. And make a single crochet in this space. Let's make 1 more. Make a double crochet in the next chain. Then chain 3. Then a single crochet in the space. Repeat the same pattern till the 15th chain. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. Now let's begin with a treble crochet in the next chain. Then chain 3. Then a single crochet in the last space. Again make a treble crochet in the next stitch. And then chain 3. And again a single crochet in the last space. Then repeat the same pattern till the last of foundation chains. Look, we got such a beautiful curly pattern. Ready to sew and form a flower. Now keep a piece of 10 inches yarn and cut off. Now let me show you 2 ways of arranging it. First, we arrange it on the front side of the pattern. And this is how it looks. Now let's arrange it on the back side of our pattern. and I am liking it more this way. So I am sewing it now. Carefully pass the needle from all the sides to make sure it's not left loose from any side. Then make a finishing knot. Now let's add a little more beauty with the pearls. Just sew one pearl in the center. And then add 6 pearls around the center pearl to form a flower. And here I present you this beautiful 3D flower. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe. And we will meet in the next video. Till then, goodbye.